Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Holly Carter. I've been in the skincare business for 27 years and I'm here to help busy people look younger and feel more confident without expensive procedures and treatments. So a little bit about me. I've been in California for 27 years and I'm originally from Houston, Texas. You can take the girl out of Texas, but you can't take the Texas out of the girl. And I'm so excited to have my YouTube channel here to share skincare and makeup tips and tricks. Also, to connect with people in my age group about issues that they're dealing with on a daily basis. So I'm a wife and mom to 4 kids. I'm going to be an empty nester in the next year. And so I'm really hoping to bring you along on the journey of dealing with elderly parents or raising kids or other lifestyle issues, but I hope it's a place we can have a lot of fun. Please hit subscribe below and share with your friends, and I'll be dropping a video every Thursday. Hope to see you next time.